This
If I sleep, then
conference
the
will
class
now
will be
be
gone.
recorded.
Okay, okay. Good. For
But
something you
actually,
need to
it's
work
worth.
hard, right? I mean, let me tell you that it's really worth. I mean, you complete the course, you apply, you go ahead and shift your career. I can completely assure you that whatever the effort you're placing, whatever the fee that you're placing here, but I know that, if you say complete course, it's coming up to somewhere about 30K, what the institute is quoting, right? Including the lightning and everything, right? The question always comes, is it worth, shall I place 30K? Because for a average, income of an India, and then if I go, right, even today when everybody is earning good amount, right, including the government services, right, those who are in the government services, even they are also, their parents are earning good, but still 30,000 is a quite reasonable, or I can say it's a quite big amount as of now today, right? For the Salesforce course, 15, for another Lightning course, another 15, right? Question always comes that shall I or shall I not? I mean, after placing this much amount, will I be able to get a job here or not? Or this technology is worth or not? Definitely yes. I've been always asking that give your effort, complete, do everyday homework. If you really want to get a job in Salesforce, either you want to change your career or you want to, get as a job here, 100% you'll get it. I mean, you after rolling out your resume, when you start getting the calls, then you'll realize then that I should have worked hard a little bit more. The technology is not that bad, or I'm getting so many calls. You'll get so many offer letters, right? It's not you have to choose. You have to come to me and you have to ask which one I should choose. In no technology
Yeah, I
you will
just
get
want
such
to. Yeah,
advantage.
I just want to let you know, Rupam. Like here, I have gone through the job search, and trust
Mhm.
me, like there are multiple options for Salesforce administration. Every company is looking for Salesforce administrator.
That's always there, and that is the reason I've been, trying to go down in each area, right, to the core concept, the theoretical part, the explanation, and then coming and explaining you how we do it on the Salesforce, right? So that tomorrow when you place your experience, right, you should be in a position to justify that, yes, you are 3.5. I mean, I told you, I will make you professional for 3.5 years experience minimum. And you should look like a 3.5 years experience. All these things that I discuss in the class, including the ad advertisement. I was showing you Tata Nexon. I keep on taking you to some other places here and there, always Flipkart, billing, to give you the exposure that how the industry is working. So industry exposure is also required. It's not what I know, how these are being today implemented by various organizations like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, the e-commerce platform, so that I can take some good practices from them and I can suggest my client that, hey, the whole world works in this way, right? And that is one of the recognized process, right? So
And one thing, Rupam, like whenever I'm just going for a search of job search, the main criteria is that they're looking for the administrator certified
like, I mean, it depends again on the
201
company,
something.
right? 201
Yeah, but
certification, right?
major.
APM 201
Yeah,
paper,
what
right?
if you can just go through some any time if you get it, like if you can just go through the
Mm.
certifications, because I'm not sure in what level we will be going, like
No,
201, what exactly is it
we will cover everything
whenever you
201.
get
I
time.
will share. No, definitely. There is a certification guidance. As I told you, in the class, you will get a complete, I mean, more than what you're expecting, I will give you. I've been telling this again. Now also I'm telling
Sure,
you,
Rupam.
right? Beyond your imaginations, you might be thinking that Rupam keeps on telling us this, what I'm going to get. See, ADM 201, what is there inside it? How to write this paper? How many questions will be there? How to schedule the exam? Where is the dump? Right? How should I pay the money? How much I should pay the money? Who should learn? Right? What is the syllabus sheet? What is the percentage for each topic? Right? 10%, 20%. I will go ahead and For example, this one. Let me open this. Right. I'm opening the administrator, Salesforce Certified Administrator. Right. Let me increase the brightness of my screen. So you will go through each one of them. Right. What is the paper cost? User setup. Right. Security access 14%. Standard customer object 15%. From which area you will get more questions. Analytics report. See that when it comes to report, I will spend four days. 4 days, almost 1 week I'll spend here because it's 10%. When it comes to your, sales service marketing application, that is what we are doing now. Sales and marketing or your lead automation, see campaign management, right? Why I'm spending this much time? See price book, if you can see the syllabus, price book should be used, right? Sales predictive features, right? See, opportunity tools, know when product and price book should be used, right? Capability of lead automation tools, campaign management, describe the capability of Salesforce content, 15%. That is the reason I'm going in depth, in down to explain you, right? How the order works, how the price books work, how can we link those? Because 15% in your certification, in an administrative certification, whatever I'm covering right now, I told you this is end user work. Yes,
Yes,
100% in
Rupam.
the real. But however, in the certification, it is covered 15% weightage. See, sales and marketing application, service application 12, which we'll cover in one day today. Example case, all these assignment response rule, right? Web to case, email to case, these all we will see, right? When we come to admin. So everything, whatever you see here, everything will be covered. So I know what is to cover, where to spend time, how much depth to go, because you might be thinking why Rupam is spending so much time. And usually you go to other class, they don't even do all these things. They directly start with admin. They don't even go to this end user work. They show account and contact, that's it. But here's the complete flow I'm going, each level down, and every day I'm insisting on this flow. Because in your certification, in it is 15% weightage. Out of 100, 15 question, even though there'll be 60 questions, 15 questions will come from this area, right? So wherever things comes, for example, security access, permission sets, profiles, right? See, profiles, permission sets, is all various profiles, permission sets, right? Roles, hierarchy, public group, sharing rules, organization by defaults. When it come from Monday onwards, right? Password, IP restriction, everything. You'll see here also I'll spend almost 3 days, 3 to 4 days here also. As your admin syllabus goes, based on this, we'll be spending time. You will get 60 questions, 60 multiple choice questions. Passing score is 65. Registration fee $200 plus taxes. Second attempt cost you $100. You can look for a coupon codes. You will be able to find. Total is 105 minutes will be allocated. Right? So don't think that whatever I never waste the time. I told you time is very important for me, including so do you. So when I'm spending time on this Salesforce CRM, sales, service, marketing, lead, right, opportunity, product, price book, right, you need to understand that something is there. Rupam is not that mad to waste time in this, because I know your syllabus outline, how the certification will come. If it comes here, definitely in the interview also they will ask you. So currently we are in the 15% of your marks, 15 plus 12. So total 27% of your admin certification is been covered currently. 27% of your administration certification is what is going on now. Got the importance? Why I'm telling you to create 10 accounts, 10 contacts and everything? That is the reason.
Yes, Rupam.
Right? I mean, I'm not showing you, I've not been showing you this because earlier if I show you would have not understood. Now you can understand that what I'm doing. right? 5 days almost. When did you started this consulting? You started last week, if I'm not wrong. When did you started? Anybody remembers the
Uh,
date?
y- yes, Rupam, maybe on the 1st
28,
July, I guess. 1st
First.
July.
So
28,
1
28th June.
28
28.
28 June we started, but these two
The
days
demo
were
and everything.
demos and
Yeah,
everything. I believe from here from Wednesday, 30th or 1st, we started. See,
yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days I'm spending here on this because 27% marks will come from here, right? So my days are divided based on the percentage. I will give you all the syllabus sheets. Couple of you might be thinking, what is doing, right? These are not our work, end user work. But in admin, even from end user work also question will come. All right, so let's go ahead. Already the recording has started. I highly recommend once again everyone to please be here on time, right? Make sure that you're on time, right? I want your class to be 90% and greater effectiveness. That means out of 1.5 hour, your class should be minimum 1 hour, 20 minutes, full-fledged effective, right? So let me log in, Rupam of115.com, password CRM1234 hash, right? Last class, we have been talking about sales module. We have seen how to go ahead and create a quotation, how to sync a quotation, how to go ahead and create a PDF for quotation. We have seen how to manage quotation discounts, how the discounts are given at a line level. We have also understood that how the discount, right, is seen in the quotation at a line level as well as at an overall, at a quote level, right, at a top level, at a header level, right? Now today we will see order. The bad part is that in the out-of-box Salesforce CRM, quotation to order conversion is not there. This whole order, invoices, right? Order, invoices, bills and payments, all the payment gateway, billing, right? Return, customer wants to return the product, right? Out of 2 product he purchased, he want to return 1. You have to give a refund. Refunds, all these are there in Salesforce, but they will not work. They work only when you buy an additional software. When I say you, it's the company. Whenever the company or organization who is implementing Salesforce buys Salesforce CPQ and billing, if they buy that billing software, then only this all will get activated. For now, orders can be manually created. But before we go to order, you see that in the flow diagram, there is a contract. So let us look on contract first. What is a contract? What is a contract? Contract
I,
is nothing
uh,
Contract is nothing but any terms and conditions related to
but
product.
correct. That is what the definition I gave you yesterday. So whenever you buy a product, right, usually you get into terms and contract. Every product you buy in the market. In some product you sign, in some product you don't sign. For example, when you buy a Pepsi or a Coca-Cola or a biscuit or a soap from a Vijeta supermarket or from Reliance Fresh or Ratnadeep, any grocery store, when you buy some product like moong dal, I'm talking not about loose product, I'm talking about any packet product. So whenever you buy any packet product, any masala, Maggi, actually you are entering into a contract with the company. If you turn back the Maggi packet, it will be clearly written, by buying this product, you are entering in the terms and agreement of the usage of this product. Any any dispute subjected to the court of Maharashtra, Mumbai. That means you can't go ahead and file a case in Hyderabad against Maggi. You have to go to Mumbai and you have to file a case there. They clearly write there, right? Terms and conditions. Somewhere the terms and conditions are written in very small. You see that you get a paper Along with any electronic product, long terms and conditions will be there. Guarantee card, terms and condition, usage, if seal broken, if seal removed, warranty void. In single word, every product that you buy in your day-to-day life, you enter with an agreement. You install a software, you say, I agree, without reading. That's an agreement, right? You buy a mobile phone. When you open the mobile phone, it gives you, I agree. First time, you agree. You don't even read what is the terms and condition. You are entering an agreement with Android, right? With a Google terms and condition. Facebook, right? Very famous now. WhatsApp. They have updated their terms and condition and they are asking you to, I agree. Continue, I agree. And you don't have an option. You have to agree. Otherwise, you cannot use it. So every sale, everywhere, we are actually entering into an agreement, knowingly, unknowingly. In big products, we sign on the bill. Whenever you buy a laptop or electronic product from a store, you see that they will ask you to sign on the bill. What is that signing on the bill? It's nothing but agreeing the terms and condition of the bill. Behind the bill, the terms and conditions are written. Go and check it out. Many of these big companies will write a long terms and condition back behind the bill. Go and buy any jewelry. You'll see that behind the bill, there's a lot of terms and conditions will be written. And you sign on it. So every sales need contract. How to create a contract? So in Salesforce, click on App Manager, click on View All, scroll down, look for contract, not contact, contracts. Here it is, CONTRACTS, contracts. I click on contracts, right? I click on new contract, right? System asks me with whom you're entering this contract. I will say I'm entering with Bollywood. Who signed behalf of Bollywood? I will say Salman Khan signed behalf of Bollywood. What is the title? I will say President. President Bollywood Association. He is the president for Bollywood Association. Contract sign date today. Contract start date from today. How many months this contract is valid? For 11 months. Do you want a notification? Yes. Before 15 days, give a notification. Who signed behalf of the company? In this company, there's only one employee at this moment. I signed. What is the sign date? Today is the sign date. Did you agree on any price book? Gold, platinum, titanium? Don't select. I will highly recommend don't select any price book, because if you select the price book, every time that opportunity or the order has to be on that price book. So keep it. What is the billing city, billing address? Fill the information. What is the terms and condition? Product once sold will not be taken back. First one. Number two, second condition. Second condition. Product once sold will not be taken back. Second condition. Any exchange will be with original box and accessories. So if you want to do an exchange, it should be original box, unused, and accessories. All the accessories has to be there. Number three, any warranty to be covered by respective manufacturer. I'm selling you a Lenovo phone, doesn't mean that if problem comes, you'll come to me. You have to go to the Lenovo service center. Don't come to me. Like this. What about the terms and condition? Blah, blah, blah. Terms and conditions. Anything. Description. Something. I click on save. A contract got created. It generates a number, 100. It generates a number, 100. Contract got created. Now, actually, physically, contracts are signed on bond papers. Physically, when we talk about contracts are signed on one, they are signed on bond papers. So here you can print it on a 10 rupee bond paper, 100 rupee bond paper, company letterhead, signed by the advocate, right? Big companies, contracts. So you can go ahead and you can upload the PDF copy, the scanned copy of the contract. Here we go. I'm uploading something. Done. You can create a meeting, you can create a log a call the customer, an appointment, send the contract draft copy through email, everything. These activities can be done, right? You can see that. Now, finally, right, this is where we entered all the details about the contract, special terms and conditions and everything. I'm maintaining it. Finally, you have to click on this drop down box. You have to click on activate. Activate. A contract has to be activated before it can be used in order. Now you see that it has been activated. Status is activated. Clear? Once again, I'm showing you. App Manager, view all, look for contract. Already one contract is there, 100 with Bollywood. Click on new. Who is with whom you're signing this contract? Right? Infosys. Contract signed by. Right? So Infosys, I see Bhanumati signed. Contract signed title. These are not mandate. I'm not giving. Right? Status activated. No. I will say that start today itself. Contract for 23 months. Who signed BF of company? I don't need all these things. Whichever is star mark, I went ahead. Right? I go ahead and I activate the contract. Special terms and conditions, everything you'll write. Once this contract is activated, now you can use this contract. Where to use? I have to use it in the order. You'll see. Order. Order. Now, by the way, before we go to order, what is the CLM? Contract Lifecycle Management. Every contract will go through some stages. The stages that you are seeing here, these stages, approval in process, activated. But in real time, right, you might need to configure these stages, something like, draft, right, in discussion, agreement signed, contract activated, contract renewal, contract expired, right, contract cancelled, sometime in between you cancel the contract cancelled. These are the stages you have to configure as per the client. We call them as CLM, Contract Lifecycle Management. Usually, right, it is for law firms. If you're implementing it for any type of, event organizing company, right, your financial companies, in that case, they will have contracts more. So there you configure those stages, and those stages will be given to you by the client. So you don't need to worry about it. They will give you the stages that during a contract signing process, these are the stages that we follow. The way in the sales stage, I gave you ICICI Bank personal loan stage, document collection, initial discussion, document collection, then approval, then verification, then approval, then release. So similarly, here also they will give you the stages. So you need not to break your head. How to configure these stages here, that I will show you from Monday onwards. All this customization configuration will start, right? We will look from Monday onwards. And with the real-time scenarios, we will start looking on those from Monday. Perfect. Now, next step is that, as per the flow, is that I have to create an order. You cannot convert a quote to an order as of now. If you go to a quotation, you open any quote that we created yesterday, for example, Salman Khan, Bollywood, nowhere there is an option called convert. See, nowhere there is an option called as convert to order. No. Nowhere there is an option. That means this chain is broken. Quotation, quotation, quotation. To order, the chain is broken, guys. That's the reason I've colored red. Whatever you did in the quotation, the same thing I have to do here in order. Let's do it. So I go to my Salesforce, click on App Manager, click on View All, look for Order, O-R-D-E-R. Here it is, Order. I click on Order. I click on New Order, right? For which account, right? I say Bollywood. You have to also search the contract, Bollywood. What happens, Rupam, if I give another contract? If I give Infosys and if I give Bollywood, what will happen? Keep watching, right? I say save. Immediately system will say the order account must be the contract account. Here it's Bollywood and 001 is for Infosys. It will not take it. You have to take Bollywood only.
So
Contract has
this,
to be Bollywood.
sir, filterings will come in the customization, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Everything that you want to change in the screen, you want to add in the screen, you want to delete in the screen, you want to remove from the screen, you want to change the location, you want to make something mandate, you have to remove mandate. Everything comes under customization, right? Perfect. Now you can see that order start date, billing address, whatever the address you want to give. Who signed behalf of the customer? Salman Khan. Who signed behalf of the company? Rupam. What is the billing address? What is the shipping address? See, this is the place where the product will be shipped. Sometimes shipping address could be different from billing address. Bill to Hyderabad, ship to Jilla Parishad High School, right? Bangalore. A company wants to donate 20 laptops to a Jilla Parishad school, to the government, to a government school they want to donate, right? So the product will go to the government school. However, the bill will be sent or paid by head office Hyderabad. So bill to, ship to. There could be two different addresses. So here is the two different addresses. I will say shipping city is Bangalore, state Karnataka, right? Shipping zip code 70001, India. I will say Jilla Parishad SHIGH High SCHOL school, right? Marathalli. Let's say that. This is the shipping. Billing address, right? Plot 87, survey, survey 231, survey number 231. Okay. High tech city, billing city Hyderabad, billing state Telangana state, zip code 500081, billing country India. Okay. Any description you want to give? Click save. An order got created. Again, you have to add the product. Same thing that you did there. As soon as I click on add product, it will ask you the price book. I will say platinum. Same thing you have to do again here. Go ahead and add the product, whatever the courses you want. Click next. What is the quantity? You did this in the right while adding the product, you did this in opportunity. Again, I'm doing the same thing. Repetitive, because there is no flow from there to here. See? Now I can click on each line level, click on edit. right? The problem here is that here is no discount. In quotation, you have a discount, but when it comes to the order, I don't have a discount. I gave a 5%, 20% discount yesterday, if you remember. I gave heavy discounts on certain things, right? 16% and 20%. Currently, you see that at line level, I don't have a discount. Disadvantage. That means out of box order cannot be used. You cannot use it because you promise something to the customer, but when it comes to the order, so that those promises cannot be fulfilled because you cannot give a discount anywhere. In order, I don't have a discount mechanism. The discount mechanism was there in the quotation, but not in the order. But finally, I have to give to the order. From an order only, I can create an invoice, right? You add to the cart. That's a quotation, a type of quotation. Once you raise an order, right, whatever the discount that was applied to the cart has to be also applied to the order. But that flow is broken. That's exactly what I'm trying to call out again and again. This flow is broken, red. Hence, the order is completely individual. Either you have to customize this to accommodate, right? Either you have to customize it to go ahead and create, same line item and discount as of quotation, which we will see in the programming class, how to do it, right? In the order, we will introduce a button called convert. Sorry, in the quotation, we will introduce a button called as convert to order, or you go ahead and buy a software. What was that? CPQ billing. Either the company has to use your expertise in programming to insert a button, and when you click the button, immediately, right, a quotation will be converted to an order will be created, a number will be generated, all the products and including their pricings will be copied here. Currently, this feature is not available. This is the only way you have to work order out of box, right? Once the order is finalized, you can go ahead and you can activate an order. The word activate means customer agreed. Customer agreed. Here, there is no financials required. Raising an order, you don't require money. I told you, money realization happens only in invoices. So I raise the order. Can I create an order copy? Yes, there's something called as printable view. I click on printable view and you can see that this is how the order screen looks. Order, total price. See that there is no line of discount at all. Quantity is this, right? Unit price is this, total price is this. For each line item, it's showing separate. Can I put a table here, Rupam? Yes, I can. Total order amount 4,14,495. Shipping address Jilla Parishad School, Marthalli. Billing address Hyderabad. Activated by. Description, contract number 100. Order number is also 100. See, this is how an order, right? Order status, change status from draft to activated. It was created by Rupam and then the order status change history. This format, we can change it. I can put my company logo. Here I can put a table. I can display the product in the table, tabular format. We can do so many things. Currently, this is how it generates. I say close window, I'm back. That's it in order. I don't have anything much in order. Out of box Salesforce CRM doesn't have much in order. Why? Because all these additional features will get activated whenever you go to Salesforce CPQ. I told you, this is the place only where you will get complete, right? You will get complete feature when you go with the CPQ billing, complete billing solution. See, complete quote to cash. Can you see quote to cash solution? quote to cash. You have to buy this software. Complete quote to cash. From quotation to realization of money. Now, if I go to Salesforce, if I click on App Manager, you see all these are there, but you can't create anything. For example, there's an invoice. Invoice is there here, you see? Invoice. I click on invoice. There is no new button anywhere. Go and check it out. You can't even create an invoice. No new button. I've came to invoices, see? You can't. So features are there, but that's the reason in my flow, I just give you one invoice and I've corrected red because you cannot do anything here. Out of box, you cannot because it requires CPQ billing along with that. So you see that payment authorization, payment gateway log, payment line invoices, right? Payments, return order, see, right? Credit memo. You know what is a credit memo? Whenever you return a product, if you don't want to give a money back, you give a credit memo. That means within 1 year, you can buy any product from us with the same amount. You bought a product for 10,000, you return the product. They will not refund your money. They will give you on paper with a number. We call them as credit memo. You can buy any product from the shop. While billing, give this credit memo, they will adjust the amount. So all these features are available, the credit memo features and everything, but these are all paid. Most of the feature that you see here, see in service will come work order, service territories, service resources, service contracts, service appeal. In service is also same thing. You have to buy. Out of box, you don't have invoices, you don't have credit memo, you don't have payment gateway, you don't have return. This all comes only when you buy Salesforce CPQ billing. Complete cash Salesforce CPQ and billing. Then only you get it. Clear? Anybody has any questions on order and contract? Right?
Rupam, in real time, you said that most of the company use CPQ, and how many companies go for the customization on the Sales Cloud, like getting the payment
Rare,
gateway and all those things created?
rare,
Is that
rare.
done, or in real time it's only CPQ?
No, rarely. They go by the buying itself, because that's a full-fledged software available, a lot of features. Here it'll take time to develop, test, right? Who will take this headache, right? So for the CPQ and everything, they go by, right, with the predefined software. They go by billing, no issues, right? There are
Okay.
company who does development also, but rare as a part of the project. Anyhow, they are investing $1 billion. So on that, another, let's say that another 150 hours, no problem. Let's build it,
So one more
right?
question. I mean, how this integration will happen? I mean, that is something different topic, or I
No,
mean,
that's
will it be an app?
when it's an app. When you install it, I'll show you how to install those apps also. I will show you mock with some other apps that
Okay.
this is the way the CPQ is installed. Exactly same manner. So I'll show you with a couple of them which can be installed. Some trials of, right? It's simple. Just need to go ahead and click on get now, click next. For administrator. For all, click next. Go ahead. It gives. Similarly, the logistics solution also has to be built. The logistics solution, you have to build or you have to take a third-party software. Where do you find this software, by the way? You find this software in a place called as Salesforce Marketplace or App Exchange. Salesforce App Exchange, where one company can build an app and can exchange with others or can sell to other company. You can build a logistics solution and you can sell it, and all those selling is done from here. You can see that App Exchange, like a Google Play Store. So many softwares are there which you can install. See, App Exchange. I will say I want logistics software. It will give you what are the logistics software available. Wait, see, so many logistics are there. They're all paid. Warehouse advanced management and logistic. They are paid $125 per user per month. See, so many are there. See, some logistics softwares. Complete. Anything free? Not a single one is free. Not a single one is free. See, different companies offering logistics, right?
Very fun. So,
Tell me.
uh, if I got that some question on this one, so how will I manage?
Your voice is not that great.
Oh,
You
Okay,
might
so
be,
what I'm
yes.
trying to ask you. So if I got some question on this billings and all the stuff, so how I manage
You
those
will not
things?
get. You will get only billing within the Salesforce piece itself. You will not get a billing. You will not get a question on trade and logistics from third. These are third-party softwares, not developed by Salesforce. App by Akitia Technology. You can see Akitia Technology,
But
right?
but most of the things normally whenever do means a live project means then
Hmm.
they are using, right? So how I get the favor of means this
I
invoice
can go ahead.
and this
They
so
will
what
give you
I'm
the
trying to say
requirement. They will give you the requirement. You have to build it. As simple as that.
oh, that is okay. That is okay. So what I'm trying to say here, if I got
Mhm.
some question on the interview, so how you are
What?
doing the billing and all the stuff. So how I manage those things.
So you have to tell that you have customized your billing. You have created the own billing process, or your company is using a third party, or company is using an additional software called Salesforce CPQ billing. If you want to go in
Okay.
a safe direction, they are using an inbuilt software called Salesforce CPQ and billing, which is available by Salesforce itself. Or go ahead and search a name here, billing, search a billing software. If you want to still play safe, then type billing here and go ahead and tell that my company is, or the project that I was using, see, code to cash, but we were using, right, is a solution from, right, Kugam, right, Kugam solution. He doesn't even know it is a Kugam. You can say we were using this order and cash software from Kugam, right?
Okay.
So you can see
Okay.
quotation, order, receive online invoices, payments, receivable account, inventory. So that complete 100%, everything you'll get it here with this software. Click on
Okay.
get now, $100 per user. So discounts available for non-profit organization. So you can go ahead, right? Getting it. So one click product,
Yeah.
service, subscription. So it's how you want to manage it. See, credit card, payment processing, all these are PayPal, refund authorization, e-commerce, right? In this software, everything is available. You can go ahead and just need to click on get now and install it. You are doing it from Kugam. And by the way, it's a very famous company, Kugam, to be over and frank. You might not have heard, but yes, people use Kugam a lot. We use Kugams. In our company, we use Kugam, right? Because they are
Okay.
less cheaper than Salesforce. $100. There is a $125 or something. And you can negotiate with them, right? You can see
And it has
that,
the inventory also, right? I mean, that's what I can
right?
see.
You have an inventory there. It's
Yeah.
very well managed. You can see the price breakdown they're giving. Kugam, new to SFTC, $50 per user per month. See, now they're giving for $50.
Yeah.
Plus,
My
you want
question
it.
is Rupam, my question is if there is a question how you do the billing, then I have to say this type of stuff, right?
Yes, obviously, right? How
Okay.
you manage the billing? Well, Uh, in the project there was no development. By the way, I don't do billing. Billing is an end customer work. My work is to development. And my client, how did your client handle the billing? They have gone by Kugam. They have gone by a ready-made software, cash to code to cash by Kugam. They have opted that because Kugam offers a lot of features. Go ahead and tell them the features. To build these features, it'll take time, resources, and everything. So hence, business has gone by Kugam. As clear as that. Because they're getting a license for $50 per user. And after negotiation, they got for $30 per users per month. So if there are 40, 50 users, it doesn't make any difference for the company. Right? There we
Okay,
go.
got it.
This is the way that we will handle it. Clear?
Clear, clear.
Perfect. Now let's come here to the Salesforce back in the flow. So logistics invoices are not available in out-of-box CRM. These are additional features, inventory management and everything. All these are additional features. Either you have to build or you have to buy. Any one option, company will go. Currently, these are not available in out-of-box CRM. By this, your sales clouds comes to an end. The last piece is your service cloud, which will be completing, right? So today itself and tomorrow Monday onwards, we will start your core, all your security aspects, your customization, configuration, right? So start writing service cloud. Yes, Zahid, you can make such product by yourself and you can start selling them. You can also, go ahead and create an end-to-end software and you can put them in a marketplace and you can start earning money. Yes, you can. Right? Service cloud. Write down. What is a service? Any after sale inquiry, any after sale bracket post sales, any post sale inquiry or any after sale inquiry is called service. Any post sale inquiry is called service. In Salesforce CRM, service consists of cases and solution. In Salesforce CRM, service consists of cases and solution. Solution bracket classic. It is not yet available in Lightning. In the front of solution, put classic. Now let's understand. Case. Write down next heading called as case. What is a case?
From
Any
consists of.
Service consists of two elements. In Salesforce, service consists of two, cases and solution. In front of solution, put classic. Solution is available only in classic, not in Lightning. Right? Now put a heading called as cases. Right? Any feedback issue, any feedback issues, complaint or grievances, right? Any feedback issues, complaints or grievances, any issue, feedback, complaints or grievances is called case. Is called case. Is called case. Is called case. How to create a case? Click on App Manager. Click on Service. Click on App Manager. Click on Service. Here you see cases. See, you're not able to see solution because solution is there in the classic. I click on case. I click on new button. Right? Who is calling? A case can be linked to contact or account. See, Salman Khan calling. Case priority, high. Case status, working. Case origin, phone. Right? What is the type of case? Is it a mechanical problem, electrical problem, structural problem, others? Your work is to refresh this list. Case reason, installation, performance, equipment, feedback, others, feedback. Your work is to change these. For Monday onwards, we'll start this. Your work is to refresh this list as per the business requirement. Web 2 case, here it is. We'll come here in few minutes, so keep waiting. Product, against which product you're complaining. See, we created our product, but our product is not listed here. Again, we have to do customization to connect my product master table to the case table, so that whatever the product that I created called SFDC, Salesforce Lightning, not receiving video on time, you might have a complaint, right? Didn't receive the course material, right? Not receiving videos. These are all cases. My product is not listed here, by the way. What is the, every product will have a serial number. Here it is. Is it the SLA violation? If it's a hardware product, then mostly you can see that there will be seal called OK, OK, OK. Do not remove the seal. People will try to open and they will put OK. Do not remove the seal. If the seal is removed, SLA or SLA is violated. Your agreement is violated. Is it SLA violation? No. Potential liability? Yes. Are you taking the complete ownership of the case? Yes. Anything happens, we will replace the product. No. Mostly no is out of warranty. No, we are not taking the liability, right? So yes, no. Description, right? Phone not working. Lenovo Tab M10, no power or not working. Let's say that customer bought this. Now description, blah, 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 blah. This is the new phone. I bought it out of box. I tried to do this, do this, do this. Phone is not working. I got a defective piece. I want replacement. Customer is shouting, wow, 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 wow. All this wow, wow, we'll put it here. Internal comments. What did you do? Check the order. Looks like that, yes, it was shipped on last month, right? It is still in the 15 days return period. Try to change the power charger, not working. Try to reset the battery, not working. Whatever you have done, internal comments, your internal comments, what are the steps you have done? Send a notification to the customer while creating a case, so that customer will get a case number. I click on save. Immediately system saves it. A case get created. An email has been sent. Dear Salman, thank you for contacting us with your inquiry. Your reference number is 1026. The subject line of your case is Lenovo Tab M10 not working. We look forward to speaking you soon. Rupam, Capital Info Solution. All the details here. Whatever you have entered is on the right side. This side. Now you can go ahead and log a call. Call logs. We will start doing it. Right? You can go ahead and you can change the status. Currently, there is no status change. Right? All updates are seen here. You can go ahead and ask a question to your people. Hey, how to resolve this issue? You can post. Every employee would be able to see. I need a help in resolving Lenovo MTab no power issue. People in the sense, not everyone, not you, within my company. This is all what you see. Poll. Shall we return the product? Yes or no? How many says yes? 90% says yes. So I will replace it. I will put a return. Right? I will tell the customer, okay, sir, we will go ahead and we will take the product back. You can do this. You can ask your own employees, your other employees, your peers, your colleagues, cases, right? In the related, I can go ahead and I can add case comments, new comment. As you're talking to the customer, every day you're trying to help, call the customer, right? And did this. Save. All these will be there in the logs. Who did what with the customer? This is how the call center works. They keep on taking the logs. Again, you call. Customer called back again, and this all will be there in the log, so that next time when you open, they will say, oh, 7:26 he called. Again, after 2 minutes, customer called back. Any type of attachment they are sharing, you can go ahead and you can put it here. Right? Whatever is needed to solve the customer problem, all these things you'll do here. For example, you create a new event, right? You will go ahead and get a new task, right? You will pass it to the other department. You can't resolve it, so you have to escalate. And for that, we have to create a lot of rules. Escalation rule, we have to create a group, we have to create a queue. So we are not covering 100% case as of today. As we do customization, I'll keep on showing and covering the case. Remember that it is 12% in your syllabus, and all those are customization. Currently, we don't have a department where I can transfer this case. Currently, I don't have any rule that automatically this case will be assigned to network team or to technical team Lenovo. I don't have. Currently, this all manual, nothing is here. We have to make automation to these cases, which we will learning as we go from Monday onwards. Now, how to resolve the case? I've registered a case, right? A case number got generated also. Now I have to solve this case, right? I have to give a solution to the customer. Either I have to return the product, right? Or I will tell the customer, hey, you have to buy an additional cable. If you buy that additional cable, the phone will work. See, I'm cross-selling. Or you can, along with that, you can buy a Bluetooth headset, right? I'm resolving the problem, and while resolving, I'm giving some additional products to the customer. So you can go ahead and you can create opportunity. You sold already the phone. Now I'm selling him a data cable. I'm selling him an Bluetooth headset while troubleshooting. It will be quite feasible for you. It will be nice. Anyhow, we will resolve your problem, or we'll replace the phone. How will you resolve the problem? Right? That we do in the next module called as solution. Write down solution. Solution. Any resolution. A resolution to a given problem is called solution. A resolution to a given problem is called solution. Solution is not available in Salesforce Lightning environment. It's not available here. You don't find solution anywhere. SOL. I have a lightning bolt solution, but not a solution. I don't have a solution anywhere. For that, I click on my beautiful pick. I say switch to classic. Here it is, the last option, last but one. Switch to classic. I switch to classic. From here, I select service. Cases. I can see my case here. 1026, Lenovo Tab M10 not working. See? Whatever we created in Lightning is now visible in Classic. See, you have sent the
Rupam, a
email.
small question.
Yes, tell me.
Is there any difference between the any compatibility or something kind of issues in the Classic and Lightning, or
We'll
is
come there.
everything the same?
Not everything is same. Definitely, if everything is same, then we will not have two
Right.
different versions of it, obviously.
Okay.
So there are a
Okay.
lot of differences, right? Classic is the older
as per-
version. Lightning is the later version. As we go inside, we start doing it, you will be able to get the differences
Okay.
every now and then, right?
Okay. Okay.
Lightning is more efficient. Lightning is the reusability of a component. Lightning is a single application concept. Classic is a multiple page concept. In Classic, the appearance, right, features are less. In Lightning, features are more, right?
Okay.
However, whatever the features available in Classic, they are all available in Lightning. In addition to that, additional features are also available in Lightning, which are not there in Classic. Perfect. Now, Just keep watching, right? As we go inside, we learn, then you will be getting the differences automatically. Now, this is
Okay,
what the
Rupam.
case I just created. Now, whenever you call an Airtel, thank you for calling Airtel. My name is Rupam. Name Mikela Sapadano. How may I help you today? You tell a problem. Do you think that the Airtel agent is a god who knows answer to all the questions? No. He or she will say that, can I place you on hold for 2 minutes so that I can pull the record or I can search a solution? In that 2 minutes or 3 minutes of hold, right? In that 2 minutes or 3 minutes of hold, he will go ahead and he will search here, see solution. He will enter the keyword, no power, and he will try to search. They will not search in Google. Every company will have their own issue KB articles, knowledge base articles. They will have their own collection of problems to a solution. Airtel will maintain all the well-known problems. Lenovo Service Center will maintain all the problems with their phone, which they know. You don't know, they knows it. Immediately they'll repair. They know what to do because there is a small repository of problem to a solution. We call them as KB, knowledge base, also known as solution. You see, no power. I got one solution. Selecting right generator for your need. This is not the right document. So, right, how to create a solution? To create a solution, click on new, give a solution title, no power. Whenever there is a no power, do this, blah, blah, blah. Steps, how to resolve. Next, do this. Next, do this. Something, click save. You can attach a document also, video. You can attach a PDF file, step by step. Open the phone, how to open the phone, a phone diagram, push it. So a complete step by step, done. You can see that here. What was that? Attach, didn't I? Choose. I was uploading some images. Randomly some image I took it. I said attach. System is attaching. Done. So that, right, next time when it comes, anybody who is searching with this keyword, power, no, immediately this document will come. And they can open the document, they can see, okay, these are the steps to be repeated. They will just orally dictate the step to the customer. Okay, thank you for being on hold, sir. Now, can you turn the phone? Yes. Behind the phone, can you see a latch? Yes. Can you please pull it down to remove the cover? No, it's not coming up. The right side, sir. Push it hard. Oh, it might break. No problem. Push it hard. It will come out. Right, it came out. Can you remove the battery? All these things the agent is seeing on the screen and dictating the customer. You keep everything here. Attachments, steps. Finally, you click on edit. From draft, change to review status. There are two checkboxes, public. Whenever you say public, this I can share with the public. Visible in public knowledge base. Whenever you go to, right, Flipkart and you want to call Flipkart, what happens? There will be a lot of questions and answers will be available there and there itself. Still you're not satisfied, then only you can call Flipkart. They give how to return an order, complete steps. How can I get a refund? How can I check the status? So for this, you don't need to call and disturb, or you don't need to call the Flipkart or company. These documents are already there. So many company, what they do is that they publish these documents in their web page. That is what it is here. View it in the public knowledge base. How to do it? Visual Force page, customization. I click on save. Some documents are confidential. For those, I will not check. For example, some documents talks about some internal well-known issues, which I don't want to disclose to public. Otherwise, public will come to know that this phone has a problem, heating issues. So some documents will not be visible to public, internal. I click on solution. I click on new. Once again, I'm showing you. I will say no display. DISPLAY. What to do, right? So do this 02, do this 03, do this step 04, do this step, something. In real time, you are not going to create this all. You are going to upload this all. Attach, right? Attach. Oh, choose the file. What? I can attach a PDF document. Step by step. In the document, whole step is there. Diagram, complete, how to open the phone, left, right, everything is there, clear. Now I click on edit. I change from draft to reviewed. Save. Not for public, not for outsider, only for insider. Save. How many solutions are there in my system now? 2. Now come to the case. We will resolve this case. We open this case. The agent opens the case and he comes here, see solution. He just type a keyword called as power or no, and he press enters. Immediately, see system is showing no display, no power. The documents which we just created, a few seconds back. The agent can now go ahead and repeat the step. Step number 1. Okay, sir, can you please do this? They're reading this step. If they're not able to understand, they will click on no display. They will click on view. The document will be coming up like this, and they will be looking at the document and they will be explaining the steps. Once it is done, right, they will say select. I selected this document to resolve my case. No. Search. See, system is searching. No power, no display. I will say no power. I can go ahead and I can view the image, right? This is the image, right? And by looking at the image, they will go ahead and explain the customer. I just randomly attach some image. Finally, yep, now the phone is booting. Select. See, with these 2 solutions, I was able to provide a solution to the customer. Okay, sir, now the phone is working. That's good, right? I can close the case. I'll say status closed, case region, others, internal comments, problem resolved. Save. Done. The case has gone to the closed status. See, status is closed. Finally. How? By the solution. I have used the solutions to resolve the case. In real time, these solutions will be available. All these solutions will be available. All these solutions will be available internally. Your work is not to create a solution. Your work is not to create a case. Your work is to make sure that these solutions are available in the system. You will be using an upload mechanism to upload thousands and thousands and thousands of solutions to the system. And I'll show you how to upload this. I cannot create one by one. There are 100 problems in Airtel. Right, there are 100 problems. Right, and all 100 will have a resolution. This is how an end user takes a solution and resolves a problem over the phone with a customer care. This is ideally the working process. Everybody understood? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can you please show me how to close a case?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's create one more case. Who is calling? Search, right? Let's say Diksha Tiwari is calling, right? Which account she belongs to? Leave it. What is the type? Mechanical, others, case, others, case origin, by phone, by web, by email. Here, priority, high, right? Subject line, blah, 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 not happy or not receiving, not receiving videos, not receiving videos. Let's say that. So what you did, we went to Google Drive, we checked her Google Drive, whether she has an access and everything. So whatever, internal comments, send a notification. See, assign rule. I don't have any rules at this moment. We have to create from Monday onwards. I click on save. A case got created. A case got created. A mail has been sent to Diksha 789TW, Diksha Tiwari. A mail has been sent. Right? Now, you followed some internal documents.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, cases can be created in both Lightning and this
Everywhere, not
Classic
only
also.
cases, account can be created in Lightning and where. See, new account.
Okay,
I
but
can fill the
solutions.
form. Solution is not available in Lightning. Only it's available in
Yeah.
Classic. So you can create a
Okay, sir,
contact
thank you.
also. See, we created Diksha Tiwari, Salman
Okay.
Khan, Shilpa Shetty. You can click a new, right? You can create
Yes.
Sampat Kumar. I can create a contact,
Okay.
SAMPAT, Sampat KUMAR. See,
Yes.
right? So Sampat Kumar contact. You can create everything in Classic and both are same. You create here, will it be available there? Yes, except solution. Now I go back, right,
Okay,
to the
sir. Okay.
case. Thank you. I
Sir,
open this
while
case. Mhm.
sorry, sir, while publishing the solution, you have clicked the public checkbox, right? That
Right.
public checkbox means it is available within the organization, Capital Info Solutions.
Public means it is available within the Salesforce organization. Yes, correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Customer.
And whenever we say external, right, whenever we say it's available, right, in knowledge base, I'm talking about here,
Community, sir.
www.flipkart. Sorry, tell me.
So it's like community.
Community, or when you say that my order, I have a problem with my order. Let's say that this problem. I open the product. There will be option called as, right, need help. See, it will not connect me directly to this, right? Hi Rupam, there's an assistance coming up. Actually, there's a lot of, right, documents are shown, especially in Amazon if you go, right? People are going these days like this. I have a problem with the bill. I have the problem with, as you select, right, issue with item return or issue with others. See, I say others. Immediately system will give what is the other problem, right? And it will give you the documentation. www.amazon.com. Let me show you. Amazon. Oh no, customer service. If I click on it, what is the problem? Returns and refund. Yes, returns and refund. All the documents will be visible to you. For example, the small pressure cooker, right? Returns and refund. Right. I'm searching how to go. Anybody knows how to go? Have anybody? I never contacted them. I have a problem, right? Customer service, right? So how can I help you? Hey, here it is. All these documents are available. See, shipping and delivery, right? Ordering a product, cancel your order. I want to cancel an order. So the steps are available. See, go to your order, select this, select cancel. See, did this information was helpful to you? Yes or no? It is not allowing me to chat with the customer care. All these documents are available. These are called knowledge base articles. Helps and customer service. Your order, cancel item. Check this diagram. See, to cancel an order, steps are there. This is called public knowledge base. Public knowledge base. Public knowledge base. You can post your document here also. Steps. People can see the steps. They don't need to disturb you. There are many intelligent people who will go ahead and read and they will cancel the order. They need not to call customer care. Hello, I want to cancel the order. How should I cancel the order? Can you please tell me? No need. All this are available. Self-service menu. Right? Mostly company prefers that to reduce the call volume. I want certain problems which is well known. We can put them in our web page as soon as they click on help. We call them as KB articles. Clear? Right? While creating a solution, that is one checkbox. How to make it available in the page is a Visual Force class. When we come there, we will see this. Help, how to route a help and show the documents there. Right? Currently, whenever a problem is registered, right? This is the way they will search the solution, right? This is the way they will select one solution. And once they will click on this close button, close case button, right? They will give a reason and they will say status closed, right? Something, blah, blah, blah. Click on save. While saving, they can say that, okay, the documents that was there was not sufficient. I found something extra. I actually followed this. I will say submit to public solution. Save. Now a solution has been submitted, which will go for a administrator to review. See, not receiving video, draft. Unless it is reviewed, nobody can use the solution. If you say videos keyword, it will not give you this document. I open it, I click on edit, I say change from reviewed, available in public to everyone in my organization, visible in public knowledge base. This public counts even customer also. You can send this, you can email this document. Now I click on save. Done. See how many cases were resolved with this document. You can see, right? For example, no power. I open no power. You will be able to see this were used to resolve two cases, 1026, 1027. This document. So you can see a complete history of every document, every solution, when it is used, where it is used, and they are used to resolve the cases. Clear? Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions?
Rupam, it means
Yes.
like for closing the cases and all, we need to go to classic Salesforce.
Yes, that's correct. You are perfectly correct.
Okay, so in future also means there is nothing
No,
like
it'll be coming in Lightning very soon. There are so many things which are not there in the Lightning. They are coming out. For example, recycle bin. It was not there in the classic 6 months back. Sorry, in Lightning. So now recycle bin is available and within, right? So yes, it will be coming up.
Okay.
Any other questions? Anybody has any other questions?
Yes, for this, every company will have their own requirements, right?
Yes, obviously, right? Every company will have their own requirements. Okay, here we go. Now, every website will have something called as complaint. Contact us. Complain. I can give my name. I can give my email address. I can give the mobile number, country, then I can give the complaint, blah, 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 blah. I will click the submit form. As soon as I click on submit, immediately a case will be created. We call them as web to case. And we call them as web to case. Web to case is not seen in Classic. See, web to case is not seen in Classic. Web name, web phone, web email. Do I see here? No. Now, same case when I open to Lightning, you will be able to see web to case is available. For that, we have to activate, we have to do so many things, customization. I go to the case. I click on new case. Can you see something called web information? Web phone, web name, web email, web company. These are nothing but web to case. That means from a company website, somebody fill this form, click submit, immediately the data will come here and a new case will be registered in Salesforce. Whatever the name he entered there, whatever the phone he entered there, whatever the company, right? Currently, these are 4. You can add more to it, to this list. And there they click submit. Here a case number 1028 will be generated. Similarly, web to lead. Somebody interested in your product, interested in my product, click here. You fill the data, automatically a lead will be created in the system. There are 2 things, web to case, web to lead, which you can do that. This was not there in the Classic.
Yeah, this will come as a part of customizations. Yeah,
correct,
yes.
Obviously. Web to case, web to lead. Clear? Currently, this is not there. I'm just letting you know. And you can see that in Lightning, it's activated. Web information. But in Classic, if you go, this is not there, where there is no section called web information. Right? So, by this, we complete the flow. Cases, solution. A case is linked to a solution. Wherever things are broken, I am coloring as red. These are either not there or they are broken. These are either not there or broken. Chain is broken. This is how the out-of-box Salesforce CRM is working. Everywhere you can go ahead and do some activity. Reports and dashboard we'll see later. Everywhere you can post in a chatter so that your employees, your other employees can see. You can ask them a question. You can do a poll. Everywhere you can go ahead and add an attachment. Complete out-of-box CRM flow. We complete today.
Rupam, maybe it is quite more to ask. Is there any chance that we can visualize the invoice and the logistic in the present process? I mean, presently you are working on the project side, so it would be good for us to visualize
maybe
it.
towards the end, I will show you how the invoice orders are raised.
Yeah. Because these are very crucial, right? Because invoice creates a financial liability and logistics will have the physical movement.
You can see in Amazon, you're raising an invoice in Amazon. You can see the invoice copy in Amazon. Right? Order copy also Amazon. Right? Flipkart, you're raising an orders, you're raising an invoice. So you can see there also. But anyhow, I mean, if we will see it, right? Towards the end, we will see. Right?
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Anything else? Monday onwards, your admin starts, your core syllabus. These are for certifications, important for your certification, as well as certain piece for interview. That's it. I can say 10% in your interview out of 100 questions. There could be 10% question will come from here. Remaining 90% question from Monday classes. Do not miss the Monday class. We'll be starting your admin there. Link might change. There could be a new link coming up on Monday. If you don't, if you don't receive the link by Sunday evening, don't wait for, what do you call it, end of the day or something, because Monday morning the class will start, So please make sure that you receive the link by Sunday evening, or call your admin, get the link. I will definitely not recommend anyone to share the links with others. If somebody asks you, hey, can you please share the link? Looks like the link's changed. You are not authorized to share the link. People who are not receiving the link are actually not authorized to receive the link. So you don't be generous. I don't want you to be a Mahatma Gandhi here, If somebody is asking a link to you, tell them to contact Capital Info Solution. Yeah. 1 minute. I'm forwarding in WhatsApp. You go ahead and forward the link in the WhatsApp, the class link. Don't do that. Somebody is not authorized to get, is not authorized to get, Because he or she might not have paid the fee. So they don't want her to join or him to join in the class. So that's the reason they have not sent the link. If the link is extended to unauthorized people, then again the link will be changed. So you will be creating your own problems. Admin will keep on changing the link. Today one link, again you'll say Wednesday they will say link change, and you'll get fed up. So don't get into that situation where admin comes to the classroom and start monitoring people that who have joined, cross-checking, hey, your email address please. I definitely never like in my class admin joining and asking in mid of the class, hey, how did you got this link? Who gave you? Where, well, you didn't pay the fee. I don't want this type of embarrassing situations in my class. So please do not share the link, net to net summary. If anybody is willing to pay fee for other, do let us know. Hey Rupam, I want to share link to 5 people. I will pay their fee. Please let us know. If you are sponsoring someone, please let the institute know that you are sponsoring 5 people. Don't ask them. I will share the link to 5 people and I'll pay the fee for them. If you take that good initiative, let us know. If you are not in a position to take that initiative, then don't take the initiative to go ahead and share the link. Why I'm calling it out? Because in the batches, I do see this happening. In mid of the class, admin will come, they will ask questions. I have to stop the subject. I have to keep quiet for 15 minutes. They will take an attendance, they will go. Do you want this to happen in your class? If you say yes, then I'm fine. Every day or every weekly, once or twice, admin will come, Capital Info, they will take an attendance from top to bottom. So definitely not. I don't like it. So let's keep this aside. Okay. So Monday onwards, there could be a new link. Please complete your formalities. By now, you know how the course is going and how the things will go on. Keep rest assured that things will go beyond your imagination and it will be going in a very good direction. Including programming, you will be able to understand. You have my complete assurance, so don't worry about it. Thank you guys. Happy weekend. Everyone enjoy. Monday, come with a fresh mind. So till then, thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, guys.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Happy weekend.